All right, things are gonna get ugly because I have no space whatsoever. And I gotta deal with this. Oh, broken tire. This is gonna be ugly coming back too. Falling rock? Is that the sign I saw? It's all downhill. They appear to have a gate check for just this little park on the lake. Oh my god, and they got spikes. I don't want to alert them. Ain't counting me. Koehn Park, they got spikes and a gate shack. It's a fishing launch area. I was looking for somewhere to launch the drone. I don't need to launch a boat. Oh, down there. Wow. Access is a little congested. Down here. I wonder why they're blocking it. So they blocked this on both ends. And I want to take the drone if there's a fisherman. He might cause problems. Talking about scaring the fish away or something, right? I think I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm kind of surprised how much I forgot that catfish is so greasy. Greasy catfish. I like it a lot. I just avoided it, probably for the cost. Whoa, something happened here. What a crack. You see these things? Cracks around it. Alright, that was a pretty cool flight. See, I was hidden in that sunken area. The only thing that would reveal me is that slow landing. I was a little slow on the landing, I think. There's not a lot of people out Sunday morning. Here I was trying to figure out another place to cook. I was gonna go to Precision Road or that theater over there, but the old man finally moved. I didn't want him over. He was just sitting in his car, and I just didn't want him looking over my shoulder like that. He's just a little too close. Now I have clearance. I feel more comfortable cooking that fish now. Alright, so I'm mixing coffee and cinnamon and dandelion and burdock roots. There's several things. Just want to say that I put this tamarind on the top part because I don't think it soaks very good into the water. So I'll just kind of eat it, let it soak a little bit on top. This is the first time I've seen these barriers on the sidewalk. This Walmart has overdone the barriers, the driving barriers, by putting them even on the sidewalk like this. And they use extra amounts on the front. And also, this is a Walmart employee who drove this and parked in a handicap spot. 320. I saw him whip around here. He could have parked over here, but he whipped around and came back. Just some young guy. He looked like he wasn't older than 17. Walked perfectly fine. Yeah, I'm not going to admonish that guy. I'm not going to go to his manager. I took a picture of the vehicle and I put a complaint up on the Google Maps. I put the license plate number. I described the vehicle. I said the guy looked perfectly healthy with his Walmart smock strutting away from the vehicle into the store. I don't like seeing it, but I don't have any reason to make a confrontation. If I can document it, then I'll leave it at that. I'm not a local. Well, I'm going to try this 360 video extreme, but I see a cop's over there. I might be getting pulled over. Oh. He's at the Longhorn Steakhouse. But he's parked in like a parking lot. Oh, okay, he's not even paying attention to me. He's like looking down. Some black cop doing some paperwork. Alright. Yeah. I expect this to be a pretty decent drive. Find out. House for sale. We'll finance. 972-521-1985. 972-521-1985. I did have coffee, so I might be a little extra alert. I don't feel that much extra alert. Cheddar's Drive. What a comical name. A left in 2 miles. It's 11:04. Oh, wow! It almost looked like somebody was behind me. Coming up on Cheddar's with the stoplights. I think I'll be stopping this. Oh no, we're going. Just I gotta keep these clips short and simple so the phone don't overheat. Now try not to go over 2 minutes a clip, and then I glue them all together. I brought the camera in a little bit closer to me. What? I just go straight, right? I see a weird kink. I don't know why that exists. Don't you mess with me. Alright. Yeah, I don't know why there's that kink. Keeping your office up to speed for 21 years. Alright. So we're going into the downtown, but not quite at downtown. Now suddenly I'm getting warm. It's feeling warm. 40. Alright, we're at 500 elevation. Mac House. Agua purificada. I guess that's only for Mexicans. Oh wait, purified water. Because Mexicans can't even be bothered to learn basic English words for certain businesses. We still, I mean, I can understand a white bike, somebody died there. I can understand whole sentences that would need to be interpreted, but single words, I mean, a Mexican can't even be bothered to get familiar with single words like water means agua. Like they're gonna die before they learn a single word like agua, the most basic word. They have to interpret that too. It seems silly, but you know, what's the mind frame of the customer? What's the mind frame of the business owner? Sometimes it's gotta stop. It's gotta stop. All right. And we're back. It's only a few seconds. Daniel Stark. Okay, we've got 0.7 miles for a left on 17th. 25th there. So counting down towards the center. Moving to the center. 0. Central point. Got a car following me fairly closely. I guess I'm not going fast enough at 30 miles an hour top speed. I'm going 39. They like that I'm going 39. I'll be the first to get pulled over. I gotta slow it down here. It's 30. Oh, they're swerving. They're trying to get past me because I was going too slow.
South 17th Street, then take the first left.
Wow, it's right there. 17. Okay, the lights is 18. Another pair of lights is 17. Library sign. This library is a little on the outskirts.
Turn left at the traffic light, then take the first left.
This isn't exactly... Is this a one-way? Oh my god, am I in a one-way? Oh my god, this is a one-way.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yeah. Wow, this library location is really strange. Okay, I don't need to stop fully. Oh, wait a second. Oh no, no! I just broke the law.
Arriving at Waco McLennan County Library.
I thought I was turning onto a one-way. I thought, man, those one-ways really screw with you. You know that you can make them left turns, but then that was not, what I just turned on was not a one-way. Really, and it looks kind of rough here.